Hello friends, today I am showing you dahi vada recipe. First you have to soak urad dal in water for 7 to 8 hours and then grind it in the mixer. After you grind it, you add little bit of jeera while grinding and salt also. And the consistency of the batter should not be very thick nor very liquidy. It should be semi-solid, just like the way you do it for bhaji. Keep oil for heating. In order to see whether the oil is heated or not, you have to put a small drop of that batter. If it comes up, that means the oil has heated properly. Now take small morsels of these vada batter and put it in the oil. So oil should be heated before you put them in the oil. Make the gas on sim. After the oil gets heated up, you make the gas on sim and then put all the batter balls into the oil and fry them evenly so that it is cooked properly till inside. Remove them by oozing out the oil by pressing them to the wok properly. And then you put them in the hot water. That water is a warm water which you have heated up for 5 minutes, and in that water you put them for just 5 minutes, and so that they become very soft. After that you keep those fried balls in refrigerator to cool. For meaty chutney you need jeera, jaggery and tamarind. You soak tamarind in water for some time. You heat up the wok, add the tamarind water to the wok, add the jaggery and add the jeera and make a nice sweet chutney. You have to boil the chutney properly. It has to get a thick consistency. So this is the meaty chutney which is ready for dahi vada. You require coriander, mint leaves and green chilies. Salt, sugar and lemon juice. So you add all this grinder and grind it into chutney. This is the curd that you are going to use for dahi vada. So in order to whisk it, you can either use this, which is used normally to smoothen the dal and all. So you can use this, or you can use this whisker. This if you don't have this, you can use this. Okay, so you just have to insert in this dahi and make it smooth. Make a cream consistency. Okay, salt and sugar as per your taste. So everything, all ingredients for a dahi vada are ready. The dahi vada which I kept in refrigerator, I just removed it. I kept even the curd in refrigerator, so it gives a nice chilled taste. It's very good in summer. So you have this dahi vada. You add this dahi to it. You add this khatti chutney. Then you add this tikhi chutney. And a pinch of chili powder. If you want it, it's optional. And this is chaat masala, so you add chaat masala to it. So this is how dahi vada is ready.